In this video, we'll show you how to change your Gmail username or address on your Android or iPhone. The good thing about this is that it doesn't affect your account settings or any of your data. You will still receive emails on your older as well as newer address. So that's the good thing about this. Now, if you want to change it, open the Gmail app, tap on your profile icon at the top, and then select Manage your Google account. Now here go to personal info. Now here tap on email. Now here you should see this option called Google account email. Simply tap on it and you should see the option to change Google account email. However, if you can't seem to tap on this Google account email, it means that the feature is not available to you. In that case, you may need to wait for a few months before Google rolls out this feature to everyone. However, if you do see it, you can simply type in your new email address and then tap on change email to confirm. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.